Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, and I do a show called The Crypto Lifer every single day here on YouTube from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. And today we're going to go over the news, talk about what happened, talk about what's happening, and rippling through the crypto market. Could the Ripple ruling spell the end of regulation by enforcement? A long-awaited district judge ruling that some XRP token sales were not investment contracts will likely eventually lead to a bipartisan regulatory framework that is more favorable on the pro-crypto crowd in Congress, writes John Rizzo. We would hope. That's the thoughts. That's what gets us so excited. And I could read the whole article, but you can only imagine where it goes and this the implementation of this idea. It's so good to see. These are things that we really want to pay attention to. It was a big win for us. Had they won the other way around, it would have been a damper on the industry. We've already taken enough pain and anguish. It's nice for the crypto industry to get a little bit of a win there and to come together and have a little bit of a cheery moment, right? BlackRock's Larry Fink says crypto will transcend any one currency. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink sang crypto's praise again on Friday, just a week after he highlighted the role of Bitcoin as a kind of digitizing gold. It's an international asset, he said. I mean, it's a great way for big-time companies and for countries to be able to cross-interact financially with big money. I find that really the way. That's amazing. So, Russia could do an oil deal. United States could do, a deal with another country for whatever they deal. You know what I mean. I don't want to get too crazy with it, but the idea is when you need to move billions of dollars at once, Bitcoin is there, and you don't have to worry. You just press a button. You can both can agree that it happened. It's immutable. It's borderless. It's simple. Fink said that he couldn't talk specifically about Bitcoin because of the pending application. We're working with our regulators, he added. If BlackRock's name is going to be on it, we're going to make sure that it's safe and sound and protected. This is really good. They're already saying that everything they touch is safe, sound, and protected. Now they're going to touch Bitcoin. So they're going to tell the world that Bitcoin is safe, sound, and protected. It's a pretty good deal. JP Morgan says Ripple's XRP ruling is a win for Coinbase. The recent ruling on XRP's token benefits Coinbase as narrows the crypto exchange operator's downside risk. The ruling appears on the surface to be a win for Coinbase in its recent lawsuit by the SEC. JP Morgan equity analyst said, led by Kenneth Worthington, wrote in a report on Friday, we see Coinbase in a best position to benefit from the improved confidence and regulatory clarity given by Coinbase. That's a pretty big deal. And last but not least, today on July 15th, Aave's protocol activates GHO stablecoin on the Ethereum mainnet. Aave protocol executed the approved governance decision to release its decentralized stablecoin GHO on the Ethereum mainnet. Their stablecoin was initially released back in February 2023, but will be available to users on the Aave version 3 on Ethereum. GHO will be backed by crypto assets like ETH, and with the Aave protocol issuing it as an over-collateralized loan, this method necessitates that users deposit crypto assets as collateral that exceed the value of the amount they intend to borrow. The GHO stablecoin relies on a smart contract system called Ethereum Facilitator. The system enables users to deposit collateral and lend out GHO with all the collateral stored in the Ethereum mainnet pool. Interesting. You may never get it back. Be careful. And that's the quick little bit of news here on a Saturday night. Hope that gets you excited. Hope it gets you going.